So the old mantra of sales was this, that you always got to be closing. This goes back to the cliche good old boys club of the Glenn Ross movie with, coffees for closers, and the winner gets to a set of steak knives. Second place gets to keep their job, and third place, you're out the door. And you can kind of go along the lines of any of that cliche stuff that you want to take a look at. But at the end of the day, in the world that we're living in today, and it's who are the people that are in your neighborhood, that Sesame Street mentality, which is probably the polar opposite of having a high aggression and being an aggressive sales individual, is to go back to what Sesame Street taught us about sharing and caring and being charismatic with connecting and those sorts of things that are very important.